Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to Apple Pay in 2025. With the latest updates, this process has become even smoother, making it easier for you to manage your finances on the go. Whether you're a tech newbie or just looking for a quick refresh, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have both a PayPal account and Apple Pay set up on your iPhone or compatible device. You'll need a verified bank account linked to PayPal for this to work seamlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your PayPal app and log in to your account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section where you can see your balance. Here, select the option to transfer funds. In 2025, PayPal has integrated better with banks, so choose Withdraw to Bank and select the amount you want to move. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the funds to hit your bank account, depending on your bank's processing time. Step 2. Now, switch to your iPhone and open the Wallet app. If you haven't already, add your bank card or the account where the funds were transferred. Apple Pay allows you to add debit or credit cards easily. Just tap the plus icon, follow the prompts, and verify with your bank's app or a code sent to your phone. Once your card is added, the money from your bank should be accessible in Apple Pay almost instantly after the transfer from PayPal. For an even faster method in 2025, some users can link PayPal directly via the settings in Apple Pay. Go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, and look for the Add Money or Linked Accounts option. Select PayPal if it's available, authenticate with your PayPal credentials, and initiate the transfer. Remember, always check for any fees. PayPal might charge a small withdrawal fee, and your bank could have its own policies. A quick tip: keep an eye on exchange rates if you're dealing with different currencies, and double-check transaction details to avoid errors. This whole process should take you less than 10 minutes once you're familiar with it. And there you have it. Your money is now ready to use with Apple Pay for shopping, bills, or anywhere contactless payments are accepted. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart with your money.